In this video, I'll show you how to find wallet address on Binance app. It's going to be a full guide video. So open up your Binance. If you want to find the wallet address, if someone wants to send you crypto, what you need to do, you need to come on here and type in the crypto the person wants to send you, right? If the person wants to send you Bitcoin, type in BTC, click on it, click on this, click on the first option. Now you're going to be able to select the network. So the very first thing, you should ask the person which network is he sending from. So I want to show you something. Let's say if the person wants to send you USDT, you need to come on here, type in USDT. If the person wants to send you USDT BIP20, click on it, click on this. So there's a whole lot of network here. So BIP20 is the first option. So you should ask the person the crypto the person is sending and the network the person wants to send. All right. So this is how you can do this. It applies to every crypto here on Binance. So this is how you can do this. Ask the person the crypto the person want to send, and ask the person the network he want to send you. So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.